What's going on, stackers? So in this video I want to show you two of the easiest ways to create low and no content book interiors, and can be done completely for free. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low content book publishing, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This course lays out everything step by step that I did to get my results. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, low and no content book interiors. Two of my favourite ways to do this is using Canva, that's canva.com, and Google Slides. So Canva is completely free to sign up and use. All you need is a Canva account, takes 2 seconds, and then Google Slides, if you have a Gmail account, you get access to Google Slides as well. Now when it comes to Canva, they make it super simple to create interiors or any types of graphics because it's drag and drop. You don't literally need to know anything. So this is a journal that I created a while back, a gratitude journal, and as you can see, this is pretty simple. Now this is a little graphic I've got here, but all these lines, the line I found within Elements, and all I did was go to lines, found a thin line, I think it was this one, made it as thin as I could, made it slightly grey, blackish, and then all I did, I put it on the page, and then I dragged, copied, and then press copied to that, pushed it down like so until I had enough lines on the page. And then to enter the text, you just go to text, enter like that, and then type what you want. So creating journals or any type of book interiors like sketchbooks in Canva is one of the easiest ways to do this, because once you've created one page, you can simply press here to copy the page, it duplicates it, and then you go down and then you can change out some words on here. And another good thing, now this, what I'm using here is the old Canva. They have got a Canva, I think it might be 3.0 or something like that, but this, because this is one of my older journals, it's still got the old layout. But what you can do within Canva in the new layout, you can duplicate pages or have 100 pages all in this folder. So you could have 100 pages of an interior, then go to download, click here, go to PDF print, all pages, and press download. And then straight away you have an interior. So this is super simple and really easy to do. So let that just download for a second, and then I'm going to show you Google Slides as well, because I do use both. So let that do that for a second. Let that download. Click open so you can see the interior or the manuscript. Let's get rid of that. As you can see, if we zoom out, we now have that interior and it looks pretty good. So let's delete that. Let's go back to Canva. So with Canva, when creating journals, whether you're doing just a normal lined paper journal or prompt journals or sketchbooks, anything like that, you can be really creative in designing your interiors because Canva gives you the freedom to do so, and it's all literally drag and drop. So go and try just using Canva. Now, like I said, on the newer version, you can download 100 pages. But if you want to do, say, 150 pages, you do your 100 pages here, then you could duplicate, so you can go here, make a copy, and then do the rest of the pages in the other one, and then just merge the interiors, the two separate PDFs, together using a merge PDF merger. Pretty simple. So the second one is Google Slides. I have a lot of books or interiors within Google Slides. What I also sometimes like to do, if I've created something within Canva, I'll download the page and then upload it to Google Slides and create my book that way. So let's go over to here, and you can see just a simple notebook interior that I created. So we got the first page, and then the rest of the pages are just lined paper like this. Now, without making this too much of a long video, because I like to keep my videos nice and short, if you want to know how to create lined paper within Google Slides or lines on a page, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some tutorials on YouTube on how you can learn to use Google Slides properly. Now, I do actually cover this within the Printing Profits course as well. So that's two of my easiest ways to create interiors which you can actually do for free. Now, if you have any questions about any of this, or especially Canva, then drop a comment down below letting me know. Out of both of these ways, I think you're better off just using Canva, because it is literally so simple and you can make some really nice designs for your interiors. So go and play around with Canva. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.